mimes. Today we will discuss kinesiology of mime. Kinesiology is the scientific study of body movements. As a mime, we picturize our thoughts, emotion, feelings, action, reactions throughout the body movements. So study kinesiology is very important. It is a Greek word, means movements, human body movements. So we deal with our body movements as a mime. So we have to understand about muscular system. Muscular system has the primary purpose of the muscular system provides movement for the body. The main function of the muscular system has 5 major properties, 5 types of movements, and 3 types of muscles. So we will discuss altogether how it works. The muscles receive their ability to move the body through the nervous system. So nervous system gets command from the brain, and brain gets the idea from the thought process. Now we will discuss the properties. The skeleton system has 5 properties. One is stimulation and response. Muscle capable receiving stimulation and responding the stimulation from the nervous system. And number 2 properties is contractible. Muscle are contractible from the receiving stimulation. It's like you see, contraction, release. So contraction and shortening muscle, this is a property of muscular system. So we use as a mime the robot. What do we do? Contract, so we are using this contraction and release. And also has a property of extensibility. It extends, you can extend it. It's extendable. Stretching can be stretched without damage by the application of force, like we're boxing. So we're forcing, but muscles is not damaging. So this force we can create. Extendable is stretching. And number 4 is elasticity. Muscles has a elasticity. That's why when we are stretching the muscles and coming back because of the elasticity. But elasticity has a limitation. If muscles elasticity, if you pull beyond his limitation, then it tears the muscles. And another thing, the muscles, when stressful muscles or due to misaligning or bad posture, it creates a bad, stressful muscle. So then what happens is it gets limitation, it gets reduced. So if we want to reach, but we cannot reach more than that because it's so tight, the shoulder. So if it is relaxed, then it extended. But if tight, you cannot reach. So we need a release. But you remember that first, when we discuss about breathing, we said when we breathe in, stomach goes in. When we breathe out, stomach goes in. So this mechanism brings align. And also we have a alignment formula we deliver in the alignment part. That's stomach in, chest out, and spine up. So what happened that when stomach in, back pain is gone, because back pain, stressful muscles create the pain. When you relieve, when stomach in, it gets relief, the pelvis gets relief. So then your muscles are not tightening. Same thing in shoulder. When your chest out, your shoulders wide, armpits stay away from each other, and shoulder muscles is relief, not putting stress. So pain is gone. Similarly, the neck pain is because when we say the spine's up, then the stretch of this neck muscles is relief. So when we practice alignment, we practice breathing process, it helps you to keep body flexible. And for flexibility, we will discuss about yoga. That yoga is the best exercise for body flexibility. So now the last properties of muscular skeleton system, a muscular system is adaptable. What is adaptable? The muscles has a property that if you work out, exercise, the muscles gain, is adapt. And without workout, it can be it can be deprived. So a workout builds your body. Without workout, it can be reduced, and sometimes it doesn't work. Now we're talking about the 5 types of body movements. Body has a capability to, this is the body, right? And all the parts is hands, legs, is the body parts. So parts has the ability to move from our body and up, down, wherever, move. And leg, the way move out, and it can become back towards the body because the elasticity. And third is it can be third is bending. We can bend. So when you walk, it's bending. It can be leg and hand bend. And stretching. When we bend, it can stretch. stretch. We can do that. And the fifth one is we can rotating. These are the types of body movement. And there is three types of muscles. One is cardiac muscle. It's the heart muscles is built up with cardiac muscles, and the organs inside the body, organs are made up with the smooth muscles. And these muscles are vocalary. They operate themselves through the nervous system, not cardiac. Cardiac doesn't control by the nervous system. It's control itself. When heart is stopped, you finish. And the nervous system or brain doesn't control the cardiac function. That's amazing things. And a smooth in polarity, so it controlled by the brain. They can, like a respiratory system, digestive system, all these things. And third is skeletal muscle. And that's we talk about the muscle we know is the bones wrapped it by all these muscles is called skeletal muscles. It's muscles are multiple bundles of the muscle cells known as fibers. These they have supportive structures. One is a tendon, this is muscle and bone connected, and fascia connect muscle to muscle. It's all whole things together is a muscular system, and musculoskeletal system made up to the bone of a skeleton, the muscle, the cartilage, tendon, ligaments, joints, and other connective tissues. These are the work with the body movement, and when we study this, that's called kinesiology. And kinesiology of Mime means we move with this movements, work with this. So it is important to study kinesiology, and there is a kinesiologist. They do therapy for body pain. So I told you that why body pains happen and how we can relieve it. So this also is my mind therapy subject matter. It's also all including that when you become a mind therapist as a mime, all you have to know, all these things you should know. Just to briefly present to you about how body works, body movements. Although nervous system is separate, but it's without nervous system, muscles doesn't work. If nervous system, some part of the body, my nervous system doesn't work, it's paralyzed. It doesn't move. It don't have a stimulation or respond. So nervous systems also involved with this process. Next, we will discuss about balance of the body. Thank you.